Hi, my name is Francisco Santos, and today I will try to explain my code challenger that I did from this company Leaseweb. I received by my email, and this is the challenger. The company want to offer a list of servers information to the customer, and the requirement is is to help the customer to quickly find are they looking for. So here I receive this, the technical information for the exercise, and here is the filter then they want to apply. They want to serve for the clients, offer for the clients this list, and need to be possible to filter for this range of options. So, but here is the problem, because for example on run options I have gigabytes numbers, and here on this column we have merged information, the numbers, gigabytes, and the type of run, DDR3 or DDR4. So we have more than one type of run, and of course quantity of run. And here we have the same problem, but it's worse, because here we have the space in the hard disk, and we have on this case, two disks. So here, for example, we have 8 disks of 2 terabytes, and after the terabytes or gigabytes we have also the type of the hard drive. So here we have the types, and here we have the quantity of the space in storage. So the problem is, to apply this filter we need to rebuild the quantity. For example, here we have two disks of 2 terabytes, so in quantity in this server we have 4 terabytes of space in the type disk SATA 2. So okay, this is the second problem. This is the first and this is the second. And here we have also problem, not real problem, but this Amsterdam is a place, but AMS01, it's I think is abbreviation of something. AMS can be abbreviation of Amsterdam, and 01 maybe it's a number of server in Amsterdam. For example, they can be in the future they can have another server, Amsterdam 02, and this is maybe abbreviation to the quantity of server, maybe, I don't know. But of course I will create one drop down in using just the location, not the abbreviation. But I decide to keep the rest of the sentence on the letters to maybe in the future they use for something, I don't know. So in terms of show, I keep the second sentence, but in terms of filter I get just the previous letters before then these abbreviations. And the price is not here, nothing. And about the name of model of the servers, I don't have nothing to filter to, so okay. But they mentioned that I need to have filters for the quantity of run, but how I was mentioned, we have information about the type of run, yeah. And of course this is important if you have two values, 16 gigabytes, but one is DDR3 or another is DDR4. It's important to know when you will choose a server. And so I decide to create more one filter. This is not mentioned here, but I decide to put here. And also here we have the type of hard drive I put here, and here we have the values of space in hard drive, yeah. And here is the hard drive columns. Okay, they don't mention if they want to keep the quantity of hard drive. So what I did is multiply the quantity by space, and then after the completely space, yeah. So for example, on the first server we have 2 multiplied by 2 terabytes, so this return 4 terabytes, yeah. Okay, this is working. And what I did in terms of code is just to simplify, because part of this code is difficult to explain, on my opinion. On the home, yeah, on the home endpoint, I just get the servers, and this method on server model will get the server from the sheet on Excel and create this JSON file to be easy in terms of manipulation, and to spend less quantity of run, etc., to not handling get the values from the Excel file. And then this is save it here, and then I get filters from the file. So I get this from the file, yeah. So when I rendering, I get the same let me return here, the same value and key. I create one for each, and the value here I keep one key with the same key from the first line. So for each is the same. we can see this on API filters. Let me apply and change real fast here. I will remove the requirement for post, because this create a problem when you try to get this from the web browser. But I remove here, and when I remove, I can receive from the web server on browser the return, and this will be easy to saw the information then from here. Okay, so this get filters, get servers will return this. Get a list, a set of servers, and on here get filters, we will get just this first line. Yeah, let's filter from there. Of course, inside of this method I get on handling time other options. Yeah, because inside of this method, how I said, I have other options, type of run, type of ADD, hard drive. Yeah, so because of this I enter on this functionality, and this will handling, yeah, and create new types inside of method, and will return the filters. Yeah, so I get the filters, and here I ordering this, and for each case, for example, for run on service, let me sort service for run, for example, I create one algorithms to split by terabyte or gigabytes, and get the unity for gigabytes and terabytes, and then create a new array, and then we have the sort of run, yeah, ordering by gigabytes and terabytes. So it will be important to create this values in ordering, yeah, because if I try to order the numbers together with the letters, 128 will be first of all, then the 4 GB, for example, and also the 16 gigabytes. So this will be confused to look if I'm not ordering. Yeah. So, and continuing, I do the same on hard drive, and then on location. Yeah, here so this is a little bit confused, but this is will work together to handling the filters from the servers, and then we'll return the filters. So of course I can do one echo here, and then var dump filters, and I will die here just to be easily to see. So we will return the values, to create the filters. So I can do the same, for example here, before then sort of them, and will be go to understand what I was mentioned, this and then and this is after than this is not sense, and this is the end, so I need to ordering, so I can remove from here and put here, and this will rendering just in ordering just the ring option. This here, for example, is not ordering, but here I will apply again, and this part it's ordered now. So, and here it's also not ordering yet, so I can remove from here and put here to check, and now here it's ordering, here too, but here is not, because the location it's mixed. So after that I put here, and now it's ordered. And other thing that these do in terms of location, this remove that thing, everything when it start for capital letters, 2 capital letters, 2, because in some place maybe can have 2 capital letters, but is not the case that I want to remove. And okay, I remove and return the same ordered, and remove it the everything of everything from the capital letters to right, to the right. So I just will hold back. So this get the filters, this get the servers, and everything this is passing for the twig files, and this handling this this information, and the filters it's used using JavaScript to rebuild, and this is for update, but this is used by the twig files, and on PC of the customers to handle this set of options on the form. On the home page, first endpoint, um, this button, it's a normal button. They will send you for the next endpoint. It's normal. But from here to when you apply again other filters, this will not rendering again, will not rebuild the page, because they want to filter but they mention here that they want to create something, one API. They don't mention where you will use, but they want to, then you need to apply one, creating one API. So I create one just to filter. So this is what I use here. When you click the button, the rendering looking for the API filter servers and get from there the result, and then update the tables, and for each column receive from the JSON file rendering again. So here you apply, and this rendering again, but you keep on the same page. Yeah. Also we can use to filter other options. Yeah, you will keep how the page is not rendering again, is not rebuilding. You keep the values on the filters, and you can apply again. For example, oh, I have 4 gigabytes and 4 terabytes, and now I want to looking for something on Washington DC because it's near for me. So I will apply again, and then now I can decide which of them I will use for renting. I don't know. So I think is this. They mentioned that we need to unit test and functional test, and of course I not explain everything because I have a lot of things on middle of this, to apply the filters, to sorter, to generate the filters. Yeah, so I have some services and one model to concentrate the operations, yeah, to get servers, to get filters, and to apply filters. And this model will consuming the services to return what the controller need. Yeah. And on tests, I did simple tests. Yeah, this will check if is returning a JSON. It's impossible to determine what is the result on JSON file content. Of course, you can create one JSON before and then apply the servers and then check if the result is what you want to return. But I think this is a simple. They don't mention if I need to be need to do a bigger test or not. It's just one functional test, and this check if this return the 200 answer on the API. And here it's the unit test for check if I send these servers, if the system find the servers in a list, and if I apply these filters, will return this. If you return, it's okay. And here it's similar. I pass the servers, and these need to return after then generate the filters. What is the filters? Return it from there. It's okay. So I think as this was a good challenge. Was not really hard, but was not easy. It's good when you need to, but more your brain to work, yeah, of course. And after then did, for example, the sort services, I was looking and thinking, oh, I can do this, then these methods using other logic, just to learn, just to show that it's possible. So I create other methods to do the same, but maybe for other people looking this is easiest than understand the another serves. Yeah, maybe for example, this is hard. This is hard to understand than this. Maybe it's for some people it's easy, for others it's not, but yeah, the both files do the same. Yeah, I can just put this here and rename and remove this, will return the same values, but it's just to mention then some cases you have one problem, but this can be solved for many ways. Yeah, so is this. I'm Francisco Santos, and for today is this. See you later.